Morning everyone, just thought I'd give an update. It's been a while since I've done a video, but we're about 2 weeks out from winter in Perth here. Still getting mid to high 20s, which is pretty unusual this time of the year. But as you can see, avocado, the Wurtz, is loving it, put on a bit of growth. The Namdok Mai is doing pretty well. It's had a bit of a prune. I've done a couple grafts, but I'm not overly confident of them taking. They're looking a bit iffy. They want to get moving if they are, because the cold will no doubt come. As you can see, the grape's starting to die back, ready for winter. Pineapple's put on a reasonable amount of size. Hopefully get fruit off that soon. You come here, there's my disaster for summer. That's the Rollinia. Absolutely cooked in January. Just a bit too hot, direct sun I reckon. But it started coming back, and then I killed it with kindness. I started pumping water onto it thinking that would help, but apparently with the lack of leaves it can't take the water up as well, so got root rot. On the flip side, I have a Picone variety coming now, so named variety to replace it, because that was just a seedling. Tangatuba's plodding along down there nice and slowly. I've put some vetiver grass in. This stuff's really good for chop and drop, and it creates a nice microclimate because it actually gets quite tall. I've got one down the side of the house that's as tall as a gutter, so yeah, it creates that nice microclimate and got good deep roots so they don't spread out too much. I've actually picked up a couple new eugenias here. We've got the Sulcata and Repanda. Relatively new to me, but I think the Repanda's pretty common over east. The Sulcata not as such, but it is around. So yeah, looking forward to them growing. What have we got? It's peanut butter cutting. I took some of that's doing nicely. Seedling one in the background. They're the Tweed Crisp jackfruit seedlings. There's my Bangkok lemon. That's put on a bit of growth. I'm going to put a greenhouse over this winter, so hopefully it doesn't die back. Seedling tomatoes popping up everywhere. Don't know if I'll remove that one, probably should, but who knows. In the greenhouse it might do all right. Put a Tweed Crisp in the ground at the back there. Not going to cover that one, just going to see how it goes. I even actually put, just starting to pop up, I'll put some green manure crop in here because I don't have anything to plant as of yet. I haven't made up my mind. I don't know if that jackfruit's going to survive at the back there. But plenty of stuff to go in. But I thought a green crop might help revitalise the soil a bit. And in spring I'll plant something out. But anyway, that's about what's happening in this patch. I'll do a few more videos on the other areas as we go on. Thanks for watching.